Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my fireworks collection. Like, I'm doing this on my bed, so that you know, because my room is kind of a mess and I have no other place to do it. But anyways, kind of going to be going over everything that I got. I'm going to be setting these off tonight. Also, just one little announcement right now. Tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm excited for that. It's July 4th right now, and tomorrow is July 5th, my birthday, so yeah. If you're curious to know how old I'll be 15. But anyways, let's get on with this, shall we? Okay. First, I've got over here large Mandarin red cracker snaps. These are firecrackers, I believe. Throw them on the ground and they explode. Caution, explosive. Use only under close adult supervision. See, I use these every year, so as far as I know, I've used them every year. So, and we've got sparklers. These are pretty popular. I'm pretty sure you guys know what these are. And yes, many people use these. Got a huge thing of them, like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. Like a 12 boxes of them. And each box has 6 pieces. So that would be 60 sparklers in total. Yeah, that's a lot of sparklers. And we've got dancing butterfly things. These look like fountains, but I'm not sure. But emits showers of sparks, spins on the ground. So, from that description, I've actually got 2 of them, two 6-packs. Then we've got Moon Dance Fountain. These are fountains, and so also just one thing. I will be taking video of me setting them off. That'll either be up real late tonight or sometime tomorrow. So, but I have managed to upload videos past midnight, so yeah. Got 2 of them. 2 for 1 bonus packs, so we kinda got that deal. We got ground bloom flowers. I think we set these off a few years ago. About 2 or 3 years ago, we set something like this off. I believe these kind of spin on the ground, shoot sparks. Yeah. In fact, the description kind of sounds like that of this. So these might be a bigger version of these. So, yeah. We got assorted candles, Roman candles, I believe. Got assorted pack contains the following: glittering pearl candle, wolf pack crackling candle, ball colored pearl, ball Roman candle, 10 ball Roman colored pearl, and 10 ball Roman candle. I did not see that 10 for a second. Another 10 ball Roman candle, and $10 Liu Yang candle. We got 2 of the assorted candle packs. See. Then we got bottle rockets. Fierce Tiger soaring rocket. So, yeah. Here they are. I'll try to take video of me setting all these off. But anyways, that's about it for the fireworks collection. So, I'm looking forward to setting these things off tonight. So, that's about it. Bye.